Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore default system version on your Android. Let's get started by open the settings on your device. So if you have a trouble on your Android phone, like you get a virus, malware on, and also like spyware, you can restore your system into factory setting or default like a new by tap on the setting button and try to search the software. You see, this is the software updates. You can see you can update to the newest version if you want, but if you want to restore into the default system, you can go to the additional settings, or you can, if you don't have a additional settings, you can just type here, search by reset your phone, this one, erase all data of factory reset. You can search this or type this option. Let's get back based on my device, additional setting or more setting. Try to scroll down and try to search backup and reset, and this one, erase all data or factory reset. So on my device, there is another option here. You can reset network setting only, reset system only, erase download app and their data, or erase all data. But and maybe on your phone there is no this option, only erase all data. You can do it. So you have to enter your password first and just tap this erase data and restart the phone, so your phone will become factory reset like new. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. See you in the next video.